How to generate hundreds of new leads. One of the greatest ways to use a mobile app for your business is as a tool that generates leads. A lead goes a step beyond just visiting. That potential customer takes an action, even if the action is as simple as giving you some useful information. Leads result in business, so having an app that increases the number of leads will inherently also increase your business. So how can you do that? Look at the app you are creating. The first step comes in looking at the app you are creating. Who is your target? Who is making the purchasing choices? What kind of lead most often leads to business? This information will send you in the right direction, and the app itself needs to have great content. An app that gives your potential customers what they really want is an app that will generate leads. Test before trading. It's great to have a paid source of leads, but let's get honest. When you pay per lead, and those leads don't directly lead to business and profit, the cost gets high quickly. Test landing pages, track conversion rates, and use the content. Offer them more than words, too. Videos, images, webinars, and the like can be rotated and used to generate leads and interest. Remember what kind of lead you need. There are marketing qualified leads and sales qualified leads. Marketing qualified leads are interested but need information. Sales qualified leads are sales ready. Your app should generate both, but be sure to know which is which so that you don't push a marketing qualified lead without information or wait too long to close that sales qualified lead opportunity. Now that you have a foundation for generating the right leads, take a look at the 7 keys to using your app in a savvy way to generate and motivate them. Create the right forms. A mobile screen is only a few inches wide and tall. It can be frustrating trying to fill out a form using that tiny screen if you use forms in the traditional way. Consider using progressive profiling. This dynamic form type allows you to display questions based on what you need to know from a lead versus what you already know. If you already have their name and email address, there's no need for them to input that info again. This progressive profiling technology will send them to the next phase of information that you need. With this type of form, you are always building new information, which means more opportunity. Optimizing content for mobiles. As stated above, a mobile screen is small. Make sure that your app users are not flooded with impossible-to-read content or content that requires endless scrolling. The content should be front-loaded for instant informative value. Organize it well and make it easy to read with bold headlines, short sound bites, and concise writing. Loyalty and discounts. An amazing way to motivate your app users to check on your messages is by rewarding them. Make your discounts and incentives redeemable through the app. This can be done by using codes, incentives using social media, or on-location specials. For example, a potential customer might receive a texted code when they download the app, and then they can use that code to receive a discount on a purchase. The right call to action. A call to action may look great on a 17-inch monitor, but the same image or banner on a mobile screen may be overwhelming. An app will be used on a mobile device or tablet. Always keep screen size in mind. The CTA should be brief, clear, and easy to read. Remember, that's what makes people submit their personal information. Apps for apps. There are apps that help you use your app to generate leads. Snap App, for example, offers a variety of different tools that will help you promote your business and get leads. 3Bar is also a great tool that can direct traffic and leads your way, and then direct those leads toward important information. 3Bar also has features that you can use to track your efforts. Offer something of value. When it comes to leads, the rate of conversion is usually proportional to the amount of information you ask them to provide. If you want more information, you need to provide more value. When you are trying to generate leads, you want the customer to perceive less obligation and more value. For example, providing a free consultation can be great or terrible. If your customer perceives that they will receive something valuable with minimal obligation, they'll act. If they see it as a prelude to a sales pitch, they probably won't. They want to get something for what they give. If leads mean more business, then generating leads should be a primary function of your business app. By using the above strategies and tools, you'll be amazed at the increase you'll begin seeing in your lead generation.